Good morning, guys. I'm glad you're all here. Thank you once again for joining me. At 1:42 local time, there was a magnitude 6.7 earthquake off the coast of Nicaragua. 140 people sent in felt reports to USGS, whereas about 37 people sent in reports to EMSC. Many of the people said it was really strong. This report says that things did not fall off the shelf, but it did shake for quite a while. Another report says it was very strong and lasted long. It was felt as far as the capital of Nicaragua. People were woken up and many people evacuated out of their buildings. Here it says, "How was at dawn? We are all sleeping at the time of the event. We went to a security zone and we stayed there until it was safe to enter." I guess go back into their building. Another report says it was a wave-like motion followed by a strong, long-lasting shaking motion. The second phase lasted several seconds, and it was one of the hardest I've ever felt. Yeah, many of the people are saying it was a strong earthquake and woke them up. USGS gave it an intensity level of 6, meaning everybody felt it. Many people were frightened and ran outdoors, falling plaster and chimneys. Damage would have been small. This was a thrust earthquake. It was fairly deep, meaning there could be another earthquake much larger coming. Here we have reports from San Salvador and all the way down south to San Jose. Oh, we got another one down here by Costa Rica. Alright, going to Google Earth. Here's the location of that earthquake. This orange line drawn out is the Middle American Trench, where the Pacific Plate is subducting under the plate there in South America. There's the location. Now this was a thrust earthquake. Let me show you here in a minute. And this is why I say that there's going to be another larger earthquake coming sometime in the future, near future. Now it's supposed to be subducting, but here you can see the moment tensor ball. This was a thrust earthquake, and what happened was one side of the fault, because it's trying to subduct underneath the other, it didn't move. So we got two plates colliding, and one side of the fault zone actually lifted up where the other remained stationary. Now the one that was thrusted up because of pressure was, of course, the Pacific Plate there along the Middle American Trench. Well, eventually it's going to let loose and it's going to be able to subduct, and it's going to create a large earthquake. And this is all that tension that's building. USGS did not post a focal mechanism ball, but they do here on Geoscope. You know, this area has had a lot of large earthquakes over here to the, I guess we could call it the northeast, is the Caribbean Plate, and this here is the Cocos Plate. USGS is reporting 2 aftershocks, a magnitude 4.3, that's deep, 49.8 kilometers in depth, or almost 31 miles, and then a 4.1, that was 29.4 miles deep. Only one person reportedly felt the 4.3. USGS gave it an intensity level of 1, and no one reported feeling the magnitude 4.1. EMSC has several reports, more of the reports from the coast of Nicaragua, 3.2, a 3.3, a 3.7, another 3.2, a 4.3, a 2.9, a 3.3, another 4.1, 3.5, 3.7. Yeah, they got a lot of aftershocks, it looks like. 2.6. I haven't checked out the exact location of these. And then More recently, let's see here, a 2.7, a 2.8, another 2.8, 3.4, 2.7. Here on Geophysica website, which I translated, there are 24 earthquakes listed for that area, and it gives the depth right here, and then the magnitude would be the line afterwards. See, we got a 3.2, 2.8, 2.4, 4.4, 3.5. There's been a lot of them, and I took it all the way down to right here, 142, right there for the 6.7. And they have a gift image there of recent earthquakes. You can see there was another one that was inland, most recent. That one probably is a 2.8. Let's check out the location. Alright, there's the map of the location, 2.8. The most recent offshore was a magnitude 3.3, 14 kilometers in depth. So going to Google Earth, let's go to that location. Alright, right there. Alright, let's bring it out to where that other earthquake's at. Yeah, there's a lot. I'd be really busy marking all these. Okay, so let's come back down over here. 2014, there was a 7.3. And let's go to that 6.7 right there. Okay. You know, I mentioned in my Yellowstone video that the tectonic plates are on the move. And let's go to the 4.4. That was one of the larger, more recent ones. Right down there. Yeah, they're saying no damage, but I'm sure there is some light damage that occurred from this earthquake. And you can see there's a whole line that goes up through here. The capital, where they reportedly felt it, is right there. That red line is what I drew out from, when was that earthquake? January 6th of a 6.2. Yeah, I was tracking the location because there seemed to be a swarm of them going up through there. Let me try and close that out. So there's been at least 24 earthquakes since the 6.7. Only 2 of them that USGS is reporting. Sending prayers. Like I said, this was a thrust earthquake. The plate didn't move like it's supposed to move, which means, you know, the pressure has built, tension has built. So I hope everyone is prepared. What are your thoughts? Sending prayers. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.